Discover the incredible versatility of Chinese cabbage, from traditional recipes to modern health hacks, and unlock its full potential in your kitchen and beyond. Chinese cabbage, known for its mild flavor and tender leaves, is a versatile vegetable that has earned its place in cuisines and kitchens around the world. It offers a multitude of uses, making it a staple ingredient in countless recipes and culinary traditions. Its applications extend beyond just cooking, as it also plays a significant role in health and wellness. In the culinary world, Chinese cabbage shines as a key ingredient in a variety of dishes. Its crisp texture and subtle sweetness make it an excellent addition to salads. Thinly sliced and paired with other fresh vegetables, it creates a light, refreshing dish that can be enjoyed on its own or as a side. In soups, Chinese cabbage adds depth and nutrition. Whether in a simple broth or a hearty stew, its leaves absorb flavors beautifully while maintaining their structure. Stir-fries are another popular preparation method, where the cabbage can be sautéed with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce to create a quick and flavorful dish. It also serves as a main ingredient in traditional dumplings and spring rolls, where its delicate flavor complements the other fillings. Beyond its raw and cooked applications, Chinese cabbage is central to fermentation practices, particularly in East Asian cuisines. It is the star ingredient in kimchi, the iconic Korean side dish. The fermentation process enhances its flavor and creates a tangy, spicy condiment that is not only delicious but also rich in probiotics. Sauerkraut is another example, where the cabbage is fermented with salt to create a tangy and versatile topping. These fermented products not only preserve the vegetable but also offer significant health benefits by promoting gut health. Chinese cabbage's role in health and wellness cannot be overlooked. It is low in calories but high in essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Its high water content makes it hydrating and refreshing, while its fiber aids in digestion. The antioxidants present in Chinese cabbage contribute to overall health by fighting inflammation and reducing oxidative stress. For those looking to maintain a balanced diet, it is a perfect choice due to its nutrient density and versatility. In addition to its culinary and health applications, Chinese cabbage has a place in gardening and agriculture. It is relatively easy to grow and thrives in a variety of climates. This makes it a popular choice for home gardeners and commercial farmers alike. Its fast-growing nature allows for multiple harvests in a single season, providing a reliable and nutritious crop. Furthermore, its adaptability in different dishes ensures that it has a steady demand in markets worldwide. Finally, Chinese cabbage plays a role in cultural traditions and festivities. In many Asian cultures, dishes made with Chinese cabbage are a part of celebratory meals. Whether it is a hot pot gathering where the cabbage is cooked in a communal pot of broth or a family dinner featuring stuffed cabbage rolls, the vegetable brings people together. Its significance is also seen in symbolic uses, representing prosperity and good fortune in certain traditions. Chinese cabbage's versatility, health benefits, and cultural importance highlight its value as more than just a humble vegetable. From its role in traditional recipes to its place in modern health-conscious diets, it continues to be a cherished and indispensable part of global cuisine. Its adaptability ensures that it remains a staple ingredient in kitchens, bridging the gap between tradition and innovation. Whether in soups, stir-fries, or fermented delicacies, Chinese cabbage proves itself a timeless treasure for health and flavor. Try it today and elevate your culinary journey.